Now, for the second time in recent weeks, this young American sprint sensation, Sha'Carri Richardson, got the Maverick thinking. This time, 10.77 and 10.74 in one day. Added to her 10.78 earlier in the season. Added to her 10.78 as a 19-year-old college student. Now, it's one of few things. It's either that this young lady is producing a few flashes in a few pans, or she had a real deal. If at 21 years old, yet to fully learn her craft, yet to get a start to her race, yet to conquer the nuances of big international competition, and already she has run so consistently fast, then this is very scary. Those two sub-11 clockings in one day got the Maverick going full circle. This young lady has limitless potential. She is positioning herself to become the next American superstar of women's sprinting. And if she remains healthy, our Jamaican veterans, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson-Herah, will have them work cut out. Yes, yes, yes. This girl is coming to knock them off their perch. Of course, there's one more possibility. Yes, one more possibility. I cannot say it right now, but she run fast and she look dangerous. Make me leave it right there. She bad, look at that. She bad, make me leave it right there. She run fast and she look dangerous. Make me leave it right there.